The next part of the section is talking about parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines never cross, and perpendicular lines cross at a 90-degree angle. So a parallel line has the same slope, and a perpendicular line has a slope that is the negative reciprocal. So an example would be, if my slope was 3 over 5, the parallel slope would be 3 over 5, so you just leave it the same, and the perpendicular slope would be negative 5 over 3. So this is the negative reciprocal, meaning you change the sign and you flip the fraction. So my directions for 13 say, find an equation of the line that satisfies the given conditions, and the answer should be in slope-intercept form. So my line is passing through the point 1, 2, and is parallel to the line y is equal to 3x minus 5. So I want to use the point-slope form. And then simplify this into the slope-intercept form. So my x1 is 1, my y1 is 2, and then I know that my line is parallel to this line. So this line has a slope of 3, which means the parallel slope is also 3. So my point-slope form is going to be y minus 2 is equal to 3 times x minus 1. Then I want to distribute that 3 and then add 2 to both sides. So my final answer is y is equal to 3x minus 1.